My name is Jinnie Seo. I'm an artist, and my work deals with space and time. And I am most interested in transitional state, more specifically, the time and space in between that transitional state. It's not the destination, but it is the process of getting there that I am most interested in. I am interested in the environment and the condition of conscious encounter. And so it is interspatial relationship between the physicality of space, that being architecture or environment, indoor, outdoor, or given site, and my creative space. And ultimately, the viewer's perceptive space. It is the culmination of these three spaces coming together. So I always have in mind, as a viewer, of going through, encountering and going through experiencing such spaces that I produce. And so in doing so, and I guess I'm most interested in creating such spaces for experiencing the presence of that particular time within that space as you move through such environment. Quotidian Island Ritual. It tells a story about an ordinary day in Kapado Island. I am most interested in an ordinary day in Kapado. Nothing special, but just a day in Kapado. It could be any day. I like to get up, if possible, before the sunrise, because I most enjoy the twilight hours before sunrise and after sunset. Because when the light is changing, they're constantly changing. You could really feel the presence of where you are. And just walking along and just walk on the rocks and seeing the in-between spaces, the gap and the crack and fissures between the rocks. It might seem nothing's happening there, but there's an entire world within. And these little things, and I do this on a daily basis, and little things that is great inspiration for me. And then I come into my studio, and again, I have two huge 10-meter long paper on each side of my studio. And I am just making marks. That process of drawing is a way for me to get inside of my mind, and it's a way for me to cross over the threshold into the landscape of my mind. Again, this is something, and also it is intuitive play between my mind and my body. Certainly, it's important. Such a place as Kapado Artist in Residence program exists, and that it is supported, and because it's important for the artist, but at the same time, I believe it's important for the public as well, because it's through art and culture that the public people can have understanding of or experience and be conscious of the presence of their lives. It's such a pleasure for me to be here, and I greatly appreciate for giving me the opportunity to be here, and that to also to be part of Capado AiR legacy. And that's important.